Hi friends. So today is Tuesday at 9 o'clock at night and I have a lot of things I need to do tonight, but I definitely can't record tomorrow. So here we are recording tonight. I am taking a small break from my Evolution of Makeup series simply because I don't have time this week. And I missed a video last week because I had a crazy week last week. My daughter turned 4 and I had to throw her a birthday. I didn't have to. I chose to throw her a birthday party, which involves me doing a lot of DIYs, a lot of crafting, a lot of baking, a lot of frosting, a lot of purchasing, a lot of preparing and decorating outside. It was a lot. So I didn't have time last week, but I barely have time this week to film anything. So we're gonna do something fun. So Morphe had a Labor Day sale and I bought this palette because it's the Morphe and Maddie Ziegler, I think that's how you say her name, palette, and I watched her on Dance Moms. I thought she was amazing, but these colors are kind of cool and I'm kind of really excited about it. So we have our base on, and what we're gonna do today is episode 2 of the random color challenge. However, Sean is playing his games, he's busy, and also he's noisy, so I'm sorry, but since he's busy, I'm gonna just use Siri. So let's get started. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 4. There are 20 shades in this palette. Realistically, I should hold it this way, but I don't want you to get blinded by the mirror. So we're gonna start at the top corner, 1 through 5, 6 through 10, 11 through 15, 16 through 20, okay? So, hey Siri, can you give me a number between 1 and 20?
Okay, I found this on the web for can you give me a number between 1 and 20?
Give me a number between 1 and 20.
It's 19.
All right, 19 is this shade. Ooh, we're starting off strong. So 19 is Posse. Posse. Hey Siri, give me a number between 1 and 20.
A random number between 1 and 20 is 2.
All right, we have Maddie Girl. It's a cute little pink. Looks like my skin tone. Hey Siri, give me a number between 1 and 20.
A random number between 1 and 20 is 9.
Latte, that's not bad. That's a good little matte shade. All right, and I want 4, so I'm gonna get one more color. Give me a number between 1 and 20.
A random number between 1 and 20 is 5.
And back. You know, I'm a little disappointed. It seems to always happen to me. I do random color challenges and I don't get any fun colors. So let's see what I could do that could be interesting and fun with these very neutral shades. Here we go. So we have Latte, Maddie Girl, Posse, and back. So Maddie Girl's a very light, very, very light. All right, so what we're gonna start off with is something super simple. I need to clean all these brushes tonight. Which is also important why we need to get started with this, you know? So we're gonna start with Maddie Girl, which is right here. This nice little light pink. I'm gonna just buff her into the crease. Gonna be our transition shade because she is my skin tone, but a hair pinker. Also, so I changed my background to hair. I just added, it's a photo of Sean and I when we went on our first little like couple weekend getaway to a cabin in Vermont. And then the candle moved from this side to that side. Just a thought. I don't know what you think about it. Let me know. From here on out, I'm only gonna do this eye. This eye, we're leaving alone. All right, now I'm gonna take Latte with this also dirty brush that I need to wash. Here's Latte. Do, 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 do. I think I'm gonna do something. I think I just realized what I want to do. I want to do a halo eye with the purple on the outer and inner corner and the gold in the center. I think that could be super cool, super different given the color story here. Maybe I should zoom you in. I don't know how much you can zoom in from here. That's zoomed. I don't know how my camera is gonna like focusing on me though. It only does yellow, which means it's not that happy. All right, I'm gonna take this brush, this dense little packing brush, and go into Posse. I'm gonna use this so I can get closer. We're gonna put it on our outer corner and on our inner corner. I'm getting a little bit on my lower lash line, which is fine because I'm gonna probably repeat the exact same situation on the lower. I'm gonna take this little itty bitty tiny brush, a little bitty blending brush, and just blend out the top here because I don't have another shade to be between the brown and the purple. Then I'm gonna take just a hair latte, dipped once with my brush, and I'm just gonna right at the top edges of that purple. Clean blending brush and go over top. I think I'm gonna take a hair of Maddie Girl just because it's pink. It might help the purple blend out into the brown. It's kind of my thought. It's not a bad blend, it's just not my best work. I'm going back into Posse and just intensifying it. And then my little brush and just doing a little bit of blend right where it touches. Now I'm gonna take this little cutie. I'm gonna dip into and back. So this, I'm getting my setting spray so I can spray the brush. So I normally don't apply shimmers with a brush. I do like to apply them with my fingers, but okay, I'm gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna pat on the edges to blend the copper with the purple. And I am kind of flaring it up top, so like where the copper touches my lash line is a little tighter, like I'm flaring it out this way and out that way. We're not. I really hope this is in focus from zooming in. A bit of Posse and just make sure it's nice and purple. Kind of as close to my lashes as possible. It being a bit glittery, the and back shade is really helping it blend, whereas Posse is a strict shimmer. And that is actually pretty cool. So, like I said, I'm gonna do the same thing on the lower lash line. I'm going to take this, not true. I lied to you, I'm so sorry. I'm going to take, where's my brush? This brush, wiping it off. This brush right here, I'm gonna dip into Latte. And I'm gonna blend it down here, Latte. Now I'm gonna take this pencil brush, dip it into the purple, which is Posse, and create the same shape on the lower. So I'm still gonna give myself the halo in the same location. So I kind of have to look straight ahead into my mirror and tap this on my lash line. And I'm tapping off because I did do my face already, so I don't want to lose the clean under eye by getting a lot of fallout. So I'm patting and I'm tapping. The one thing that I love about random color challenges is it forces me to do looks that I never would have thought of. Like, I never would have thought to put these colors together. I'm connecting it in my inner corner just to kind of round it out. Never would have thought to put these colors together or in this manner. To do like a purple and orange halo eye kind of thing, I think is pretty cool. Maybe I'm only speaking for myself, but I'm pretty excited about it. Take that same exact brush that I used before, and this time I'm gonna get it on the tip. On both sides. Spray it. Just walked right into that. Once again, my mirror is right here, I'm straight on, and I am putting it between them. And I'm tapping, or else I will just wipe a lot of it away. I want it to stick with the glitter. And you know what? I'm actually gonna take my fingertip, tip of my pointer finger. I rubbed it in there and I'm gonna try to intensify it. I just put some on the tip of my finger and added it up top because I felt like it did intensify the lower, so I didn't want it to be lost. Or like not match the upper. Then I'm taking the same brush that has Maddie Girl on it again and just running it under here. Wow. I just remembered to look at the time on my camera to make sure I was still filming, and if I wasn't, we would have had a bad night, friends. It would have been a bad night. I'm just connecting these on the outer corner so they make sense. So I'm going to do my mascara, do my other eye first, and then do my mascara, and I will be right back. I'm just blending a little extra to make sure that everything is good. All right, so we have our mascara on, the other eye done, and now we're going to do blush and lips because they kind of pertain to a random colored challenge since they are other colored products on your face. So I have this e.l.f. bite-sized palette blush duo, I guess, in Spiced Apple. I'm just gonna use the blush, not the highlighter. The highlighter is too dark for my skin in this one, but this is a more peachy neutral blush, which I thought would go good with the copper on our eyeballs. So we're blushing up those cheekadeeks. It's a Real Techniques brush. Make sure we're really blended. It kind of makes you look bronzier than it does blushed, but that's okay. Then our lip combo today is going to be the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Endless Cacao. Thank you, Katie Jane Hughes, for forcing my love with this. And then the Wedding Makeup Specialty, the Maybelline lipstick in Truffle Tease. It is literally like anybody who have ever done their wedding makeup, this is their choice of lipstick. It's gorgeous. So, Endless Cacao liner. We're going to outline and then kind of contour because this is a more contoury shade, and then we're going to add Truffle Tease on top. So, bear with me. All right, we've contoured our outer lippy area. Now it's Truffle Tease time. This is a very cool nude today. I think I want something warmer actually. So, wipe it off. And then now I still have my like Endless Cacao on there a little bit. Do I want this one? Is this too warm? No. Flush Punch by Maybelline, also a good lipstick. Great. Now I'm done. So, this is my random color challenge based off of, also this edge does not look blended at all. What are we doing? Please hold, we just have to blend to make this. So this is our random color challenge based off of this Maddie Ziegler palette with Morphe and the help of Siri. So, despite having such a large, gorgeous, beautiful, colorful eyeshadow palette, we only got to work with purple today, but I think it's pretty cool. It's a makeup look that I don't think I would have pulled color-wise to mix this purple with this bright copper. I don't think would have been my first go-to, but I think it's really interesting. What do you think? I think random color challenges are awesome because, I mean, who would have thought that these 4 colors would turn into this, or even those 4 colors would be what we would choose. So I'm gonna get up close a little bit here so you can see my face. Hi, hello. So here's my eyes. Switch to this side. These are our purple halo eyes. And on that note, I'm gonna go do the millions of other things I have to do, like wash all of my makeup brushes. So, I hope you guys had an amazing week. I hope you didn't miss me too much last Thursday, and I can't wait to see you all again. I post videos on YouTube every Thursday at 4:15, and I post Makeup Mondays every Monday on my Instagram. So if you'd like to follow me there at CaitlinJolene_makeup, then feel free to do so. And if not, I will be back next Thursday. Thank you all so much. Goodbye. So close.